What up y'all, this is J Russ aka Jonas the Barber, back at again with another Hondlik video. I know it's been a while, I've gone MIA for the past few months, but you know, I've just been finishing varsity and all that jazz. So yeah, I'm back again with another Hondlik video. Hopefully in 2022 we can keep the videos consistent, keep the content consistent and flowing. And yeah, we're back again with another unboxing video. Today we got I think the best budget electric shaver that you can get on the market. I got it from Dquip. It's called the Dquip electric foil shaver. It looks like this. We're gonna be doing an unboxing of the shaver right here. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy the content. If you like the video, leave a like. If you enjoy the content, subscribe, you know. And yeah, let me know in the comment section what you guys would like to see in the future. But yeah, let me stop rambling. Let's get into the video. Alright, so let's get into the unboxing of the Dquip electric foil shaver with trimmer for shape and style. Those are usually gimmicks, so I wouldn't pay attention to that. It includes a cleaning brush and a trimmer. So yeah, let's get into the box. So it says Dquip electric foil shaver utilizes preferred technology that makes grooming as effortless as possible. It is fully rechargeable. That's the key point that we're looking for. Rechargeable, with a stainless steel blades and built-in trimmer for grooming facial hair. So now that's what's also another key. What is the stainless steel blades? It means it will last longer than the standard blades. And then the pivoting heads easily has two flexible foils that run smoothly across the contours of your face. You can use this on the head, because I'm going to be using this to bald out customers' heads, so that you can get the cleanest bald fades to add a bit more contrast in your fading. This cordless shaver also has an indicator light to inform you when it is charging. A full charge allows for 30 minutes of grooming time, so that's clutch. You shouldn't be using this shaver for more than 30 minutes, like balding somebody's head out, or perhaps maybe shaving their face. So the key notes that it has: it's rechargeable, it uses 3 watts, 3 volts, it has a removable cover, that's important for hygiene purposes. It has a power cord included, that's also key. Power cord, indicator light, a trimmer to neaten facial hair. That's usually a gimmick. Perhaps maybe if you're buying this for yourself for personal use, you can maybe use it. These trimmers usually don't have the sharpest of blades, so they don't get detailed lines. It has a cleaning brush included, usually a gimmick cleaning brush as well, and it has stainless steel teeth blades. But yeah, let's get into the unboxing of this Dquip electric foil shaver. Alright, so now that we have it outside of the box, there was something in the box there. Now that we have it out the box, what you get is your user manual. Your user manual over here. You get your charger. Looks like a nice length here, nice length on it. Let me just unwind. Alright, so now that we got that tie off, it's a nice length cable. Looks to be about 1.8 meters long. It's a nice length over there, so good charging. It's universal, and that's your input over there. And then you get the shaver itself, which you can get out the packet like that. It has a protective guard over there, so we can get that off. So it has a nice feel to it, nice premium feel to it. Looks nice and clean as well. Looks expensive. You would never say this was 200 rand. You would never say this is 200 rand. Let me change to manual focus. Oh shit. It's super nice, I must say. Super nice. And if you switch it on, it doesn't sound too loud as well. So you have the double foils. This will speed work up, because I actually have the wild shaver, the wild small cordless shaver, cordless shaver. So I actually upgraded to this because I want to actually increase the speed time of my of my work to building out haircuts, and that thing takes forever. So hopefully this will speed up the process. And then if you switch this on and you lift this up like that, that's the cutting blade over there. Doesn't feel too sharp, but maybe it'll do the job for some people. But it sounds plenty powerful. You can get those things off there. You can clean the stainless steel blades. The only thing with these, I don't think there's any replaceable parts for the shaver. But at the price point of 200 Rand, it's easily replaceable. It's easily replaceable for that price point, and which I think makes it one of the best budget foil shavers on the market currently. So yeah, I'll let you guys know how it goes in the review to follow on soon. And yeah, that's gonna do it for the unboxing part. Alright guys, so that's gonna do it for today's Hondlik video. Hopefully I can actually bring back the barber haircut tutorials in the future. Currently, the reason why I'm not doing any tutorials is because my barber setup isn't at the place where I want it to be. So hence the reason why there's no barber tutorials. But hopefully once I renovate and fix that up, it's the reason why I actually haven't recorded anything, like I said, is because I haven't upkept my setup, because I haven't had the time to with, you know, varsity, as I've said. Hopefully this year we can make things different and make things better for the channel, and hopefully I'll be able to bring more content to you guys. So I'm gonna try and stay consistent, stay grinding, and yeah. Also another side note, if you guys didn't know, I also do streaming. I stream on Twitch on my second YouTube gaming channel, and on TikTok I post content with both barbering and gaming content, technology content as well. If you guys are interested in that, make sure you guys give those platforms a follow, and you guys can come and check me live. You can ask me barber content questions, ask me general life questions, and whatever you guys want to interact with, I'm down to answer and talk with you guys and conversate with you guys. But yeah, if you like the video, let me know in the comment section below by hitting that like button. Let me guys know what you guys want to see in the future by let me know in the comment section. And yeah, stay blessed, stay safe, peace out, your peeps, man.